How to use Android tablet as second monitor for Mac. In this video, I'm just going to provide you options for you to be able to use your Android tablet as your second monitor for your Mac. Now, if you go ahead and plug in your Android tablet directly into your Mac, it will automatically not detect because it is not supported by default. So all you have to do is to use a third-party application for this to run smoothly. Now, first is choose whether you're going to be using Splashtop, other applications where you can, cast something out into your MacBook to serve as a second monitor. And of course, you also need to use a CDC cable wire depending on what version or what type of MacBook you're using, and as well as your Android tablet. So what you're gonna have to do is to download the specific application that you do have in mind or you prefer, and make sure to download both for your MacBook and for your Android tablet. Run them together, use the C2C cable, and you should be able to run them smoothly. And that is how you use Android tablet as second monitor for Mac.